Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where you can learn web programming and other computer related tips and tricks. On previous tutorial we learned how to read a file with file system module, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to write a file with file system module. The file system module has methods for creating files such as append file, open, write file. The append file method appends specified content to a file. If the file does not exist, the file will be created. So as an example, we just need to create a file called appendfile.js, and we need to write some codes to append some text into a new file. So to do this, we need to create a variable at first, that is fs, and we need to use the fs module, which is core module of Nodejs, and then we need to use append file method of fs object, and it will have two and three parameters. That is, first one should be our the first one is our text file name, so I'm going to use my first file.txt, and second parameter I'm going to use hey, nice to meet you, and inside the function parenthesis I'm just using error object, and inside the curly brace I'm going to use the rest of code, and here I'm just going to show error. If anything error is happening here, I'm going to throw an error. If we successfully created a file and display the text we have created, it will show us that the file has been saved. Now we just need to save this file and run in a Node.js server with this file append file.js, and hit enter, and you can see the file has been saved from the console. And here we need to see to our directory that if the file has been created or not. You can see my first text file has been created here, and we need to open in our text editor, and you can see hey, it's nice to meet you. Now we're going to use another command, that is open. The open method takes a flag as the second argument if the flag is w. For writing, the specified file is opened for writing. If the file does not exist, an empty file will be created. So we need to create a file as openfile.js and write necessary code. Now we have this already, we have created this fs require fs, and inside the fs, this is our fs object, and we are going to use open, and we have this file. We can change the file name to another text file.txt, and we will use a w flag, and we have this function, and inside the function we just need to use two parameters, that is error and file. and if there is an error, we will throw an error, and we will display to the console that is the file has been saved. Now we need to save this file and need to run on our server. So Nodejs, and then open file and hit enter, and the file has been saved, you can see. And we just need to hit enter and go to our directory, that is this one, and you can see another text file has been created, and it has nothing to show here because it will create an empty file. Now another method, that is write file, replaces the specified file and content if it exists. If the file does not exist, a new file containing the specified content will be created. Now create a new file called writefile.js, and write some code to understand how does it work. And we're in a write file, so we just need to use the file system module of Nodejs, and inside the fs that is our fs object, and we're going to use write file, and we are going to use this file, that is another text file.txt, and we need to write some code here, that is hello, how are you today, and everything will be same. Function error file, if error, throw error, console.log, the file has been saved. And I just need to delete the file argument, only I will use error object, and if there is an error we will throw an error here, and we will output to the console window that is the file has been saved. And we just need to save the file, and we will use Node.js, and I will use the current file and I will enter it, and the file has been saved here. And now if you see on to the node, that another text file, reload, you can see hello, how are you today has been created here. So this is the end of our tutorial. On our next tutorial we will use file system to rename, delete existing text file or existing files. So thank you for watching, hope you like this video.